Ashley. Here we go. So we're leaving Ho Chi Minh City today, but Ashley decided that since we get home, we're not going to have any health insurance, dental insurance, none of that stuff, that we should take advantage of being in Vietnam and get our teeth checked and cleaned, and Lord knows what else we might need. So today we're heading to Rose Dental in the center of town over by the Ben Thanh Market, and yeah, let's see how that goes. All right, so we made it to our appointment on time, with time to spare. It's here at Rose Dental. It's right outside the Ben Thanh Market, right in the center of town. And yeah, hopefully we'll get this care for cheaper and maybe even better.
Yeah, I mean, it's been about 7 or 8 months since we've had a cleaning, so it's definitely overdue. So we're gonna go get one here without dental insurance and for way cheaper than we would get it at home. So
yeah,
let's
hopefully this one doesn't tell me what the ones back home tell me, which is you haven't been flossing.
They will.
Because I haven't been flossing.
If they're real dentists, they will. Let's go find out. Take shoes off?
The office is beautiful, air conditioned, Wi-Fi, comfortable, cold water, nice employees at the reception desk. So far, so good.
That was pleasant.
Very pleasant. It's nice when you don't speak the same language, so while the dental assistants are working on you, you have no clue whether they're talking crap about your teeth or what. Or like you said, you don't know what's coming. They're just
what tool are they grabbing? I don't know. Whatever happens, happens.
And the dentist that checked my teeth, she looked at them and she's like, very beautiful. She didn't even like tell me that I need to floss more. No.
To take care of them.
No.
Nice. Yeah, no. So like this is basically how the experience went. We walk right in there. We change our shoes.
Yeah, you can't walk inside with your shoes. No. They gave you little slippers.
They asked. So we sit down. They take me back first. The dentist says, "Thank you." The dentist says, "What can I do for you?" And I was like, "I need to get a filling replaced here, and I want to just get it cleaned." And he said, "All right," and just starts going to work. No X-rays, no. I mean, he did a little bit of an exam, like during, but not a full-on exam. And he just filled my tooth in, lickety split, and then the lady started getting at my teeth doing the cleaning. Yeah. Both of us were out in 30-40 minutes.
Yeah.
The total cost of us both getting cleanings and one filling, me getting one filling, was about $50 US, and it was 1,200,000 dong, Vietnamese dong.
Okay.
So, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, my experience was a little different just because I didn't have any pain. I told her there was no pain or nothing. So they just went right to cleaning. I was probably done in like 20-25 minutes.
Yeah, he was waiting for me and I went in first. Yeah.
But I mean, if we wanted to get X-rays and all that, we we could have gotten all that
They do
and
teeth whitening.
yeah,
They do
and they do everything. They do crowns.
And
They do
it
all
so
that stuff.
quick.
Yeah, but we just wanted a simple, the 6-month cleanup thing, and she knew that she needed fillings. I don't have any pain, and the last time I got checked, I didn't have any cavities or anything that needed to be worked on. So I figured, why spend extra money on getting X-rays and whatnot when I doubt much has changed in the last 6 months.
Perhaps.
Perhaps. Well, I mean, they did a visual check,
Oh,
so
yeah.
everything looked good.
Right.
Now, who knows what's happening underneath the gums and whatnot, but like I said, last time I got checked up, everything was fine, so
Yeah.
should be good.
So yeah, it was a really
Very pleasant.
good experience, and
Yep.
it was so quick. Our appointment was at 10. We were out by 10:45.
Yeah.
So even if you
Quick.
think you don't have time while you're on vacation or while you're traveling through a certain country, Vietnam, I know Thailand does this sort of thing too, probably a lot of other countries. So definitely, if you know that you're due for a cleaning or you need some work done, like just take the time and go to a dentist in one of these countries. It'll probably be really cheap, and I'll even link the website that we use to find the dentist. What you do is you put in what kind of work you want done and where you are, and it gives you a list of all the places and all their reviews. And we chatted with someone on the website, and they hooked us up and made our appointment with the dentist. We just walked in the next day after we made the appointment. So overall, really great experience and highly recommended. And now we have pretty teeth. They're clean.